Everyone like me who grew up in the Netherlands has had this problem. You're just done eating your main meal of boiled potatoes with fried potatoes and potato salads, and it's time for dessert. You're having yogurt with custard again, and the yogurt carton is nearly empty. The fighting starts on who has to empty it. You're sure you did it last time, but you end up having to do it again. You cut open the carton with scissors and scrape out all the yogurt you could get. You just wish you could have proper yogurt from a bowl. It just tastes way fresher for some reason. It makes you feel like dessert just isn't dessert anymore. Now in the past there were special carton holders. They allowed the carton to just drip for a while, but you just can't get those anymore. Might have been the work of Big Yogurt, trying to get more and more sales. I do happen to have a 3D printer there, so today I'll try to make my own carton holder. This is the first print. Off camera I added some weight saving cutout on the central stem. Now it was a bit too flimsy, like the bottom part just bent and the holding fin broke off. I did try to glue it back on, but it wasn't too sturdy. So I basically just had to reprint the whole thing, with the infill in the bottom quite a lot thicker this time. It does kind of show that you can either do it properly or you can do it twice. Now this is the final print. For a 3D print it does look pretty good, like it feels like a proper brick. This is with extra slow and extra fine settings on my printer. And let's see if it works. Yeah, that seems to work just fine. I guess it means one thing. I'll never have to clean out a single carton ever again. And now a bit about the future of my channel. I'm planning on releasing content at least once per week. Now Saturday will be my main uploading day, but on most weeks I do kind of want to upload twice a week. So the second video will generally be on Wednesdays. Now if you like this video and content like this, please like and subscribe.